Hello, I'm the Yorkshire Gardener and this is a video tour of my allotment, so you can see how it's looking at the moment and what I've got growing. So let's have a tour of the Yorkshire Gardener's allotment. My plot, I planted all these spring bulbs in autumn and they are looking absolutely fantastic. I've got hyacinths, tulips, daffodils, I've got some pansies in there. So yeah, look at the colour on that. I planted those for the bees, as they're the first things that the bees see as they wake up, and they need that pollen and nectar and the food. So yeah, get some spring bulbs in the autumn, everybody, to help the bumblebees. Here I planted some dwarf beans. I planted them yesterday, so no sign of them yet. And in front of my shed I planted some sweet peas. I'll put netting up the shed so that they can grow up and have lots of colour at the front. In this area here, I've got some lily bulbs in. They're just starting to pop through, poking the heads through. So they'll add lots of colour as well and a nice smell as you come onto my plot. That's my blueberry bush. That's getting a few flowers on it. Down this side I've got my autumn raspberries growing. So you can never have enough raspberries, they're brilliant, I absolutely love them. Those are all my crocuses, what I've finished flowering. And in here I've planted spring onion seeds, as I've planted them straight into the area that they need to be. That's my Victoria plum tree, as you can see it's got lots of flowers on it. And hopefully they'll all grow into delicious plums. They're one of my favourites. If you get a plum tree, get a Victoria plum tree. This is my bamboo bush. I planted that last year. I've never grown bamboo before. I know it can be a nightmare, but I thought I'd try some. That's the bamboo I'm growing. And down this side is my rhubarb patch. As you can see, it's doing absolutely fantastic. I've got absolutely loads of rhubarb. Everybody loves rhubarb, all my friends and family. And down the side of the polytunnel I've taken out all my strawberry plants, my spare strawberry plants I've got, and planted them somewhere else. I've planted broad beans in there, so I'm going to be growing them up the side of the polytunnel. I'll put some netting behind them for them to grow up. And these are all my fruit trees. And my apple trees, and I've got a pear tree there. And this is my cooking apple tree. That does really well. I gave it a good hack this year, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it will grow. In this first bed here, I planted some mouse sweet peas and some carrot seeds, so we'll see if they grow. And then this area I've been working on this week, that's a new rhubarb patch what I started last year. I grew them from seed, so you can actually grow rhubarb from seed if you want to try it. And behind them I've planted pea seeds all the way down. In these two beds I've got potatoes. As you can tell, I've just watered. And down that strip down there, I've planted dwarf beans to grow up that side bit there. So we'll see how they get on. And this is where I moved my strawberries to this new bed. I plant them through black membrane to keep the weeds down, and also it keeps the ground moist as well. And I've got another strawberry bed and another strawberry bed. So I've got 3 strawberry beds. You can never have enough strawberries, I'm sure you'll agree with me. And down this front I planted some more peas to grow there. So next week I'll be cracking on with that part of the plot, which you'll be able to see next week. So if we go back down here, and we'll pop into my shed to see what's growing in my shed. As you can tell, absolutely loads of stuff growing in my shed. I've been waiting for these to pop through my melon. I grow cantaloupe melons. If you've got a polytunnel, try growing cantaloupe melons. They do absolutely fantastic and taste delicious, as good as the shops. But I've got lots of flowers growing as well as vegetables, as I'm wanting to help the bees a lot this year. That's my ultimate vision. No sign of my peppers yet, just weeds. My tomatoes are popping through, which I'm pleased about that, and my sweet corn. Lots more flower seeds, more tomatoes. I'll try loads of different varieties of tomatoes. I've grown Moneymaker, Gardener's Delight. Yeah, So more flowers, I planted all them yesterday. Those are my sunflower seeds. As you can eat the sunflower seeds once you've grown them, also you can feed them to the birdies. And some more strawberry plants to plant out in my spare patches if they don't take. So yeah, everything is growing well. And this area here, our seeds what I started earlier, they're all ready for transplanting and potting up a lot of those now. As you can tell, my radish is going mad. That needs to go out soon. And my spinach, they need to get potted up. And my broccoli and cabbage definitely need potting up. So that's a job for next week. So you'll have to tune back and see how we get on with all that. That'll be a task in itself. So that's a tour of the Yorkshire Gardener's allotment. Make sure you come back each week to see how we're getting on every week. We'll post a new tour video. So click the subscribe button and the notification button, the bell, so that you get notified when I post new videos and you can see how I'm getting on throughout the year. So thanks for watching, and remember, keep gardening.